It's great to have your company. This is Esther at Stampin Star Creations for another Christmas Stampathon 2020. Each month setting you a challenge to get ready for Christmas, getting your cards and crafts ready. So this is an interesting month. We've got a 3-2-1 challenge, 3 colours, so Mossy, Meadow, Smoky, Slate and Silver are my choice. 2 stamp sets, so I'm using Forever, Fern and Lots to Celebrate, and 1 sentiment. So let's get started. I'm using the second largest circle die just as a guide for my wreath, and using pencil, going in lightly with this because I'm not going to rub it out afterwards, and just drawing inside the circle as a guide. I'm using Mossy, Meadow and the 2 smaller Fern stamps that go in different directions. So doing a second generation stamping, and I can manage to fit about 3 shapes onto my wreath, and then using the stamp going in the opposite direction, still going in the same direction of the leaves, but this just creates a more organic feel with going around the wreath. And then just look at any gaps and fill them in. So as simple as that. It's really quick and really simple. So to incorporate my Smoky Slate, I'm just adding in these lovely dangly lines from Lots to Celebrate, and then using my embossing buddy just to clear the area, and coming in with some of that gorgeous silver embossing. And I'm using this snowflake stamp that fits in perfectly into that gap. So I'm adding some embossing powder to the Versamark ink, and just to see where my image is going to lie before I come in about 4 times with the snowflakes around the wreath. Add your embossing powder on, and then you can see where the snowflakes are lying. Don't forget to put your powder back straight away. So I like to heat the back of my card first and then go to the front, and this just really helps with any warping that might happen from the heat. And just like magic, the heat heats up the powder and melts it together, and you get this really gorgeous shiny metallic look. I wanted to incorporate the Smoky Slate more, so I'm using the speckles from the Forever Fern, and I'm going to use these just to add some decoration around the wreath. I wanted my cards to be fairly masculine. I think the masculine market tend to miss out on Christmas a bit, so I'm sticking with these kind of lovely sophisticated colours. So for my sentiment, using the season's greetings, and I already gone ahead and stamped this because I forgot to press record, I'm afraid, on my camera, and then cutting down an 1" by 3 7/8 strip of Mossy Meadow, just so that I've got a piece to top and tail my sentiment, which was 3/4 of an inch by 3 7/8, and that was stamped using Smoky Slate. So gluing it all together with a bit of Tombow multi-purpose liquid glue, and then adhering that to my card. To complete the look, I'm going in and mounting this on some Smoky Slate card. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this month's challenge. Please do join us over at the Christmas Stampathon 2020 Facebook page and join in with the challenges, and please do give me a thumbs up if you like my card today. If you're not already a subscriber, please do consider subscribing and hit that bell to get notifications. Thank you very much. Hope you have a good day. Bye for now.